This is a video of my knob circuit. Here's the code. It's in the analog port A3, as you can see right here. And here's the servo. Here's a potentiometer. It's plugged into power, and then ground is the negative on the other side. And the potentiometer, like I said before, is plugged into analog 3. And then when I twist it, this should move. As you can see, I'm twisting it, and the servo motor is turning the same way I'm twisting. Okay, this is my servo motor suite program. Here's the Arduino code. Right now it's moving at a delay of 15 milliseconds. This should say 15. It is running at 15 right now. And as you can see, it waits 15 milliseconds for the servo to reach a position, and this is it right here. I have the servo motor plugged into the Arduino with 5 volts being the power. It's plugged into port 9, and then the ground is the black cord. Now if I change the delay time to something faster, like 5 seconds, then it will move much faster. Okay, let me upload this. And now the servo will move much faster before reaching each position. So this is at 5 milliseconds, a delay of 5 milliseconds. And now I'll change it again to something slower. If I change this to 30 milliseconds, it will move much slower than the previous 2 delay times. Okay, upload the code. And now it's moving very slow. It's at 30 milliseconds right now, and this is basically waits 30 milliseconds to reach for a servo to reach the position before going in the opposite direction. So this is at the third delay time of 30 milliseconds.